Hey guys, okay, so if you hear, I know you probably having a problem with your DisplayPort, your DP cable. It's not working, it's not functioning, even though you have your PC turned on. Now, for you to fix this problem, it's very simple. Even though it's not a permanent fix, that it's just going to let you access your computer. Do you get me? So what you have to do is you just have to take off the power cable of your monitor from the socket. So I'll take mine, just take everything off and just wait for some few seconds for it to turn off completely. Then afterwards you just put it back in. Now let's see. See, that's it. So anytime you're facing the same problem, you just take it off from the power supply, from the power source, sorry. Then you just take it back, you just put it back in. You're just going to boot perfectly. Thanks, and if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thanks.